Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have an iconic Chinese dish that has captivated taste buds all around the world, Peking duck. But before we indulge in this succulent delicacy, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about its rich history and preparation. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Peking duck is a dish that dates back to ancient China and has a history of over 600 years. It originated in the imperial kitchens of the Yuan dynasty but gained immense popularity during the Ming dynasty, eventually becoming one of China's most beloved culinary treasures. Fact number 2. The traditional method of preparing Peking duck is an intricate process that requires great skill and precision. The duck is typically bred specifically for this dish and is marinated with a mixture of spices, including star anise, cinnamon, and ginger, to enhance its flavor. Fact number 3. One of the most critical steps in preparing Peking duck is air drying the duck. After marinating, the duck is hung and left to dry in a cool, well-ventilated area for several hours. This process helps to achieve the coveted crispy skin while retaining the succulent meat. Fact number 4. The roasting process for Peking duck is truly unique. Traditionally, it is cooked in a closed oven called a gen. This oven is fueled by fruit wood, such as date or apple wood, which imparts a distinct smoky aroma to the duck as it cooks. Fact number 5. The art of serving Peking duck is as important as its preparation. The crispy, caramelized skin is skillfully carved into thin, delicate slices by the chef at the tableside. The slices are then traditionally wrapped in thin pancakes, along with scallions, cucumber, and a savory hoisin sauce. And there you have it, 5 intriguing facts about Peking duck. Now, let's indulge in this mouth-watering dish and experience the flavors that have made it so famous. The combination of the tender duck meat, the crispy skin, and the flavorful hoisin sauce is simply divine. It's a harmonious blend of textures and tastes that create an unforgettable culinary experience. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the unknown facts behind Peking duck and joining us on this delicious journey. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend adding Peking duck to your foodie bucket list. Trust me, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Cheers to the incredible flavors of Peking duck. See you next time, fellow food enthusiasts. Happy eating!